Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I will be making a slime. So what I will be needing, if you're making slime with me, go ahead. So I will be using Elmer's white glue, school glue, some blacks, baking soda, foam soap, food coloring, gloves also, and then I would be using these little charms to add in. So please subscribe to my channel. It's because I have like 1 subscriber, and that's all. I just make videos for fun. I'm not trying to make money out of YouTube. YouTube just makes my life really really fun.
Do that for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna go take a shower or bath.
Okay. Okay, guys. So after I get my gloves on.
You want some Nutella?
Yes, please. Wait, you got
strawberries?
You got Nutella?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. So
You want it with strawberries?
yeah. So I got a bowl. So let's add our glue in to the mixing bowl.
I got a big one.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna die. And then after that, you will add your food coloring. I'm gonna be adding a light color. I'm gonna be adding in yellow.
And look what else I got.
For slime?
No, for food. Don't touch these for slime.
Okay.
Got me?
Sure. Sorry. So after
And there's a
that,
pink one too.
you already used that one, Lucky.
Lucky.
Those are mine.
Yeah, they are.
Cause they're kids. And after that, we will be adding in some beads. I had the beads in before. Actually, I'm not gonna add the beads right now. I'm gonna add some foaming cans. So. That's getting really good. Really good. Starting to thicken up. And then add some. Add a little bit more. Oh, that was way too much. But who cares? I never felt so right. I've been having dreams. And I recommend you guys using gloves for your slimes, because if there's like something like right now we got something on, you won't have to worry about like getting it on your hands. So we just added in our activator. It's already literally it's already slime.
Where you got your gloves?
I don't know. I don't feel like touching stuff today.
Okay. That's like the funnest part. Is
No.
feeling it.
Making it. You have to get a little bit of stickiness. Don't worry about getting it. Actually, if you want to use these gloves, you can just wash them. This slime is very playable. I don't know if that's a word. Playable? What's so wrong?
Yeah, I think it's gonna work.
Did you get the job?
No.
You didn't?
No.
Aw. Poor Russell. Anyways, back to the video. I just will need the slime It's because like now you can see it's not sticking. When did you guys get the news like that he was not gonna get the job?
A while ago. Why?
I don't know, I was just wondering. Okay guys, now it's time to add the beads in. Make sure it's a little bit sticky so the beads will stay in. Or actually, they're not want to add beads. I think I'm gonna add the beads in. Just,
He thinks it's a gloves on.
I know.
Yeah.
Ooh, have chocolate.
Right?
Yeah.
What the heck was that?
Just nothing.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing.
Mm-hmm.
So I added in some beads. This slime's a Funcraft slime. I never felt so soft. I've been had Gaga. Today, me and my mom and Brandon are going to the mall because yeah, like after mommy's court, we're gonna go to the mall.
For what?
Brandon's gonna get new shoes, and my mom thought it would be nice if me and her could go with him too, because my mom said I could get like in one outfit. So guys, I really have not felt it yet because the gloves. So it's time to take my really important things off. I know sometimes when all the time when I make slime, I don't use gloves. But today I was using gloves because, like slime can get in your hands, and I do not want food coloring getting on my hands, so now we're going to feel it. Okay, it's good so far. It's just really wet. It's smooth wet. Guys, comment down below if you guys get what I'm saying. Smooth, wet. Wet, smooth. Smooth. It's smooth and it's wet a little bit. But this slime is really pretty. Beads just fell out when I was going to say pretty. Oh, yeah. But this slime was not a fail. This slime was a total success. Succeed. I don't know how to say it. Succeed, success, success. It was a total success. Okay, guys, like this video if you know how to say succeed. Like, I do not know a word how to say it. No joke. But yeah, on my TikTok, which is something user something. If you already follow me and you watch my videos on TikTok and here, comment in my TikTok video what I should name this slime. I really don't know what to name it. This looks so hard to name. Gaga, what should I name this?
Yellow lemon slime.
Yellow lemon slime. That's pretty good. I don't know.
Yeah, I think that's good.
let's try. Never mind, we already tried to do one and it did not work. Okay, so now we're gonna put it in its favorite thing, the container. Wow, this one is actually really big and it doesn't even fit in this container. Wow, that's really sad. So, yeah. So, and then the next video, I will be doing my collection of these slimes in the containers. So, yeah, I'm going to be making that video in like 5 seconds. Like 5 minutes, 5 seconds. So, please subscribe and hit that like button. And turn on the post notifications. So, yeah. Bye, guys.